When users create new parts, they nearly always start by creating an initial sketch profile. However, it's often hard to gauge the scale of the sketch while laying it out. SOLIDWORKS 2014 completely eliminates this with an enhancement that you never even see happen. When placing the first dimension in a sketch, SOLIDWORKS automatically scales the entire sketch to preserve the size and position of all the entities within the sketch. Furthermore, SOLIDWORKS has also maintained our view and zoom perspective, keeping everything intact, meaning we can get right to applying the rest of the dimensions to the sketch. When selecting multiple entities using the traditional box selection method in SOLIDWORKS, sometimes extra entities are selected and need to be deselected, or the selection needs to be performed on an entity-by-entity basis. The new lasso selection tool, found by simply right mouse clicking, allows you to select objects similar to photo editing software by simply dragging around those items you wish to select. This method still preserves the SOLIDWORKS left to right selection where only those entities completely selected are chosen, or the right to left method of selecting any entity which has been crossed over. This makes it fast and easy to select the right entities at the right time, for instance, adding relationships as in the case of these two circles. And it's easy to toggle between the two anywhere in the software through the right mouse button menu. In this scenario, we're trying to lay out a belt drive system, and the length of the belt would be the preferred method of defining the position of the remaining geometry. However, we did not originally create this sketch using blocks and path sketches. You can now, however, easily add a path length dimension on the fly with the new path length dimension tool. Simply select those entities which you would like to include in the path, and SOLIDWORKS automatically converts them to a path for you. Then simply enter the appropriate dimension value and the rest of the geometry is constrained.